This sauce uses only a handful of ingredients. Once you taste real San Marzano tomatoes, regular sauce may never be enough. 800 grams San Marzano tomatoes, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 4 garlic cloves sliced, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 6 fresh basil leaves, 1 teaspoon sugar. Heat 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Add 4 sliced garlic cloves and cook for 30 seconds until fragrant. Do not brown them. Pour in 800 grams San Marzano tomatoes. Crush them gently with a spoon as they cook. Add 1 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Stir well. If the tomatoes taste too acidic, add 1 teaspoon sugar and mix. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer. Cook uncovered for 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Tear 6 fresh basil leaves and add them during the last 5 minutes of cooking. Continue simmering until the sauce becomes thick, glossy and rich. For a smoother texture, blend briefly. For a rustic Italian style, leave it chunky. Would you keep this sauce chunky or blend it smooth? Comment your choice below.